Hi, welcome to today's Inktober. The challenge word for today is guarded, and so I decided to do a swan, when it's being territorial or trying to protect its young and it flares up its wings. So I kind of thought that was a very guarded look. I also I struggled between this idea and a different idea I had for a guard dog, but I couldn't really find one in time, so I thought better to put something out than to not. My apologies for yesterday. The day just completely got away from me. If you're in England at the moment, you'll know that there's quite a big storm and a bit of wind to accompany it, so when you live on a boat you've kind of got to batten down the hatches, which is what we were busy doing yesterday, so I didn't put anything out yesterday. I hope you enjoyed today's contribution. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like and share it. That helps out a great deal. Thanks.